Welcome back to EcoMed AI, your smart guide to natural health and wellness. The liver detoxifies your blood, processes nutrients, and breaks down toxins. But sometimes, it needs your help to enhance its health. In this video, we are exploring 10 powerful fruits and how they support one of the body's hardest working organs, the liver. These fruits are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes that help cleanse, repair, and protect your liver naturally. Before we dive in, kindly take a few seconds to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video so that other people can also benefit from this information. Let's begin. The first fruit we will talk about is the grapefruit. The grapefruit is one of the most powerful liver-loving fruits. It is rich in antioxidants, particularly naringenin and naringin, which protect liver cells from damage. These compounds reduce inflammation and help prevent fat buildup in the liver, a major cause of fatty liver disease. Regularly eating or drinking grapefruit juice, in moderation, can help your liver function more efficiently and filter out harmful toxins. Second on our list is lemon. Lemon is a natural detoxifier. Its high vitamin C content helps your liver produce more enzymes, which turn toxins into substances that can be easily flushed out of the body. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning is one of the simplest ways to kickstart your liver's cleansing process. Think of lemons as your liver's natural energy booster, helping it process fats and filter out waste more effectively. Another fruit on our list is apples. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps bind and remove toxins from the digestive system before they even reach the liver. This reduces the liver's workload, allowing it to focus on processing nutrients and eliminating existing toxins. The antioxidants in apples, like quercetin, also help protect liver cells from oxidative stress. Eating one apple a day really does keep your liver healthy. Next is avocados. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats and a powerful antioxidant called glutathione. Glutathione helps neutralize harmful substances and plays a key role in detoxifying the liver. Studies show that regular avocado consumption can reduce liver damage and improve overall liver function. Add it to your smoothies, salads, or toast for a creamy, nutrient-dense liver booster. Blueberries are another powerful fruit that helps the liver. Blueberries are small but mighty when it comes to liver protection. They contain anthocyanins, antioxidants that give them the deep blue color and help prevent oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Research suggests that blueberries can help slow down fibrosis, the scarring of liver tissue. A handful of blueberries daily supports your liver's ability to repair and regenerate. Next is papaya. Papaya is rich in digestive enzymes like papain, which help break down proteins and aid digestion, reducing strain on the liver. It's also full of antioxidants and vitamin C that help the liver clear out toxins more efficiently. Eating ripe papaya or drinking papaya smoothie can help prevent fatty liver buildup and improve overall metabolism. Watermelon is another fruit on our list. Watermelon keeps you hydrated and helps the liver process ammonia, a waste product of protein metabolism. It's rich in glutathione and lycopene, two compounds that support liver detoxification and protect against cell damage. Eating watermelon regularly helps the liver stay cool, hydrated, and efficient in removing waste from the bloodstream. Next on our list is banana. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps the liver maintain proper fluid balance and support detoxification. They also contain resistant starch and fiber that promote healthy digestion, reducing the burden on the liver. Bananas are gentle, easy to digest, and a perfect energy food that keeps your body in detox mode naturally. Another fruit of benefit to the liver is the orange. Oranges, like lemons, are high in vitamin C, but they also provide natural enzymes that activate liver detox pathways. They help the liver convert toxic substances into water-soluble forms that can be easily excreted. Drinking fresh orange juice, not the sugary kind, can support immunity and liver repair while keeping inflammation low. Also on this list is pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. It helps reduce liver inflammation, supports fat breakdown, and promotes healthy bile flow. The vitamin C and manganese in pineapple also enhance liver tissue repair and protect against oxidative stress. A few slices of pineapple a week can do wonders for your digestion and liver health. So there you have it, 10 delicious, natural ways to care for your liver every day. Remember, your liver never stops working, so fuel it with foods, fruits and drink a lot of water daily to protect and repair it. Which of these fruits do you already eat often? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to EcoMed AI for more science-based natural health insights. Thanks for watching.